This common ingredient sparks intense culinary debate globally. Many consumers avoid it, fearing strange symptoms. This common ingredient sparks intense culinary debate globally. Many consumers avoid it, fearing strange symptoms. But what if everything you knew was simply incorrect? Today, we uncover MSG's true scientific impact and story. We'll explore its science, history, and culinary impact. This simple compound revolutionized global food preparation forever. Yet, a large cloud of misinformation still persists. Let's dive into the fascinating world of MSG. MSG's story begins over a century ago. In 1908, Japanese chemist Kikini Ikeda sought a new taste. He isolated a compound from kombu dashi broth. This discovery revealed the fifth basic taste, umami. Umami means savory deliciousness in Japanese. MSG perfectly captures this unique flavor profile. Despite its culinary success, controversy emerged. In 1968, a letter appeared in Nejum. Dr. Robert Ho Man Kwok described unusual symptoms. He called it Chinese restaurant syndrome. Media quickly amplified these anecdotal reports.
This fueled widespread public fear about MSG.
A powerful myth was born, harming reputations. Scientists worldwide began rigorous investigations. Numerous double-blind studies were conducted. Most found no consistent link to symptoms. The FDA classified MSG as generally recognized as safe. It's similar to salt and pepper in safety. Many prestigious health organizations agree. The initial scare lacked scientific evidence. MSG is simply glutamate bound to sodium. Glutamate is an amino acid vital for life. It's naturally present in many foods. Tomatoes, Parmesan cheese, and mushrooms contain it. MSG enhances existing savory flavors. The MSG headache is largely psychological. This powerful ingredient makes food more satisfying. It provides that desirable umami boost. The MSG stigma persists in Western cultures. Food labels often hide glutamate for perception. Yet globally, MSG is celebrated for flavor. Chefs use it to deepen culinary experiences. It's a tool for deliciousness, not a danger. MSG is a chemical marvel, misunderstood for decades. Its impact on flavor is undeniable and profound. Embracing food science helps us navigate culinary myths. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.